Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It is Hump Day, guys. Wednesday, December 3rd, 2025. It's 9:26. We have 4 minutes to the New York Open. As you can see, we basically have inside day, basically an inside day on the Dow as well, with bearish bodies now, guys. Bearish bodies after a big sell down. As you can see here, look at these charts. At 9 a.m., Microsoft announced something, and then this happened. And so now we're kind of basing out a little bit after this free fall. This whole piece here, guys, on the NASDAQ was, how many points is that? About 230 points or so. On the S&P, the equivalent is about 39 points. Fairly significant sell down there in the pre-market. 30-minute time frame looks like this, guys. We had this narrow range in London and even narrower range in Asia. Now we've sliced through this area, through this zone that was here, through another zone marker that was here, and now rebounding a little bit at the bottom of the action from yesterday New York session, right? That drive down and that push back up. Well, that buying came in again at around the 25,450 mark. So this area being defended very, very clearly here so far this morning. The S&P is a very similar picture, as you can see, also driving down, rejecting at the low of yesterday. I'll put you on pause and bring you back. And there's the 1-minute open range, guys. We're looking at 51 points on the NASDAQ and 6 3/4 points on the S&P. Going to be very patient here, guys, to see how this settles now that we're open on the legitimate New York market, not just the pre-market here. Patience. Just gonna watch here for a bit, guys, and see where we go from here. This is the London open range above. See that there? Asian open range is about the same level. I'll delete that now. Keep things clean. This market's just resting and digesting now. Everything that happened here in the pre-market. I'll tell you what I'm going to do here, guys. I'm going to wait for this 30-minute candle to close. I want to see if it closes with a bearish body or a bullish body, or if it even breaks the low here and closes into this turbo zone with a naked body. So I'll basically just put you on pause here, guys, until 23 minutes has passed. Unless something really interesting happens, I'll bring it back and comment on it. Otherwise, I'll see you in 22 minutes and 45 seconds. All right, guys, we're back. There's only 13 seconds left in this candle, and as you can see, the body is basically unchanged. And so when that candle closes, we're still inside the open range here. I'm going to wait for the next 30-minute candle to close. It's now exactly 10 a.m. There's the first candle, unchanged. And so now this next candle might be the decider, but pushing up here. I'll watch to see if it develops much more here, but I'll put you back on pause, guys. I really want to see this one close too, so I'll see you in 30 minutes. Nothing for me to do. I will not be going long into this, guys, into this free fall. It's 10:07 a.m. It looks like this will be a no trade day for me based on what I'm seeing here. Nothing for me to do here. We got some basing going on here, which is a positive sign here for the longs. All right, buy stop order, guys, buy stop order. There's a nice battle going on here. We're getting some clarity now between the two parties. Here's the opportunity for the longs to take charge. And I'm in, guys. I am in. Long the NASDAQ. Let's see if these bulls mean business to take back some of this. So it's 10:18, guys. Waited a long time to get some clarity here. Lovely tug of war, a lot of confusion, a lot of weakness on both parts. Then this fake move down below, guys. The bears tried, the bulls said, no, screw you. Big shift candle, and then powered higher, powered higher, powered higher. Orderly pullback into the open range, basing, congestion, consolidation, then breaking back above some of these top wicks here. 1, 2, 3. And now the bulls should be off to the races. No guarantees. And we're back here, guys. Got some volatility going on, a little bit of a spike. Almost hitting 1 hour profits, but not quite. Looks like some more news came out, but who knows? At this point, I'm just feeling a little bit lucky to still be in this trade, quite frankly. Given the volatility, there's no accounting for that, of course. So why am I long here, guys? We actually had an up day with a bullish body coming in, and then we had this free fall on news. Very often, these pre-market free falls or massive moves, or oversized moves, are partially, if not completely, erased during the coming session or in the next day or two. But I always like to give the market some time to digest, as you've seen me do many, many times here with the tug of war that I've spoken about on several hundred of my videos on YouTube. And then wait for some orderly price action, find out who's in charge. The bulls come in with orderly shift buying, right? Move this thing higher and higher and higher. Pullbacks, smoothening EMA configurations, 9 above 21, EMAs exiting the open range, break and retest, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, target 1 has been hit. All right, guys, we're back. It's 11:33 a.m. That means we are out of the optimal trading window and into what I call the twilight zone. And that means I can manually manage any open models. And there's still 2 open models, the 1.5R and the 2R all or nothing models. And so what I'm going to do here, guys, is to place my order to close both of those at 1.5R, because we are out of the optimal trading window now. And so I do have that option. And there it is, guys. And so that will be it for today, guys. This is what it looks like. Plus 1R, plus 1.5, plus 1.5, and plus 0 for the 2R move stop to break even at 1R. Thank you for joining me, guys. Appreciate you. Have an amazing afternoon. I'll see you tomorrow for Thirsty Thursday.